Look, we're recording.
Correct.
Oh!
Combo.
Oh yeah, phase. Do you see that?
What?
Aww.
Oh,
what the? I love the pigs in this pack. It's like a pig in a tuxedo with MLG glasses, except you can see the pig's ass.
Oh.
Nice.
We're not pigs in Captain Sparkle's Minecraft Gundam style. Yeah, we're at white 100.
Oh,
I want to, go down.
forgot this was
Amplify.
going down. You guys want to go down?
I took a small look at the map and it's gonna be Hitler. Like, I had to build. Okay, so 0-0. There's a monument.
Monument?
Yeah, where something spawns. I need to check the game mode.
Oh, what? There's just an ocean monument that spawns?
No. Like, I made a monument spawn.
Alright.
It's like this weird plains thing next to a huge amplified mountain terrain.
Oh, you're not having that cool.
Of course you wouldn't. Scrub, I'm joking. Love you.
Yoshi can't join back. Oh, Yoshi's not joining back. I'm collecting food.
Oh, that's right. We have spawned with food.
I don't know how to get out of where I'm in. Kind of in a hole. Played a Rockaway around in a while.
Do you hear my bathroom in the background?
Yes.
Bathroom.
Yeah, my parents are using it, and my room's right next to it, and it's really loud.
I can't find a way out of this hole. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to jump down. I can't find a way out.
Don't worry, you can spend 20 minutes, just breaking.
But I regret my decision of jumping down here. Well, I'm heading up now. Oh, I just fell down a hole.
Nice.
I found water. Climb. Oh, it's only literally
Birch forest.
Then we spawn in a regular forest, though.
That's true.
Guess that could be
Disadvantage is
better.
we have to go.
Yeah.
I have to go all the way back up the hill to get there.
Oh.
Oh, I'm afraid.
Oh.
A bunch of things.
Okay, guys.
Welcome to Ambience Season 2.
Welcome to self-DDoS of Comcast Wi-Fi because it's worse than McDonald's Season 5, Episode 7.
Is it done? Same.
Same. Oh, I made a button.
I
Yeah,
can't
that's
actually
true.
full damage there, but I'll push it.
Okay, so who's X rank for full time in this game?
Me.
Gosh.
You?
Oh,
Yeah,
gosh.
me. Thanks. Guys,
I'm not even talking. Gosh. Gosh.
Slushy.
I nearly just fell down a ravine and died.
Oh my god. First 30 seconds, PvE happens.
Yoshi took damage.
Where's Marsh? He's not speaking.
Wow, wrong.
Dun, dun. So does that count as first damage?
Would have mine counted as first death? Oh, I found a low down forest. Yes.
Yeah, from the forest as well.
I haven't,
Y60.
but I found more pigs, so I don't care. Oh. Do you know what I just found? A
What?
plains.
Nice. I'll meet up with you guys later.
Okay.
Do you guys want to eat? Just kidding.
Guys, just want a team.
So, I have a request.
Which is...
So, Maximus and I started this meme because whenever I'm around him, he always spams "I like men."
You know.
Okay.
Here, at the end of each episode, you just say it once. Everybody on the team, Maximus likes men.
Okay.
Okay. I don't see the point in that, but sure.
I told him I would do this.
Is Mushroom here?
I don't even know. Mushroom's not speaking.
We can always get a replacement, JK. That's a zombie
See,
close to me.
Well, they might be okay. We just haven't even realised. No, because I saw him jumping around with me at the start.
Really? No, my mouse.
Did either of you find sugar?
I have
found
not
sugarcane.
find either.
Sugarcane is what I have.
You have the cane. Okay. I might have to buy a new mouse. This is pretty Hitler right now.
Why won't Mush talk?
My BFK now.
No
Oh,
one will ever
mic's
know.
broken pretty much.
Okay. That's not healthy.
Sounds good to me.
What? Why? What? You choose to play this then if your mic is messed up and you can't talk.
Because he's a gangster.
Fixing it right now.
The
Okay.
dang player, obviously.
Mush is working on fixing his mic for the first episode.
Maybe he just like okay. Maybe he just like PMs the whole round. You know? Not much, just PMing. What are apple rates and point rates? Vanilla, right?
Slash.
They're
Great.
pretty bad.
Slash UHC slash
Rates are 1%. Well, apple rates are 1%, fun rates 15.
great.
Just above vanilla. Double vanilla for apple.
Oh, that's not bad. Looks
I
like
got-
what they have on Helio.
I need to find some food before I starve.
I have some.
10 cooked pork chop. Get on my level.
I would if I could. But I don't
Oh,
know
hell
what
no,
pineapple
hell no.
is.
I'm not taking damage. That was close. I was about to be first damage.
Probably first damage to starvation. If I
Oh
live.
yeah, mushroom.
I could see that happening, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to kill rabbits now for food.
Well, I mean,
Like, kill
then we'll
rabbits for
have
food, it's
leather,
super
so...
efficient.
He's
Oh my god, I feel so bad for this rabbit right now. Oh, it's lucky it didn't get launched from a cliff.
User in your channel timed out.
Oh.
Oh, he timed
Oh.
out. Great.
Wrecked?
Yeah, Mush always times out.
How many? What's my render distance? 15. And I'm recording with 71.
Minus 7 and I'm recording
User
with
entered your channel.
130.
Welcome back, fam.
Oh, he left the game though.
What's better?
Probably
Him-
him in games so he can actually play.
Yeah.
Oh, that's chicken.
Running through a desert, see if I can find some job. I found a spider job, did that help?
No, it doesn't.
I have feathers. Does that help?
I have one apple.
Nice. Who the hell? No, no, no. Not now. No. What? Oh my god.
Why?
Let me in on the land. Okay, just, you can continue, but I need to come in. What is here? Oh
Shh.
That was like a terrible voice impression,
Just
but...
play it took damage.
I did find the savannah on the other side of the sheet, so I'm not going to stop there.
Are you getting the kill?
Oh, that's a pink sheep.
Hagrid at 90, Claiborne at 95. I feel like it's just trying to cover up the damage
Yeah,
that
he
took.
is. I'm just gonna cave. Can't find any leather or sugarcane.
God, now I have to put the suitcase back on the door.
Yes.
The suitcase back on the door is how to stop people getting in.
Yeah.
I hate you all.
Oh.
Don't worry. I was only joking, partially.
I wasn't.
You didn't say anything though.
I didn't? Oh.
Run through.
Oh, I hear cows.
Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Big, fat, and black, come here. I have
Don't talk
leather.
about Max like that.
Considering I'm half black as well.
Oh, that's half. Oh, I found a mine shaft.
Seriously?
Wow, why am I gonna lie?
I mean,
Memes!
Did I just cook up the iron?
I have trust issues, guys.
We didn't need to know that.
I'm just telling us now.
How can I trust you all?
Smash batter?
Oh my god. How am I gonna get out of this frickin'... This is like a roof forest mountain and I'm at the bottom of it.
These are my cores.
Probably nowhere near mine. Yeah.
I'm at 200, negative 1100.
Oh, the sun's setting.
What? I just broke. Okay, that's really weird. What? Okay, I gotta reconnect.
I heard static. That was marsh. That marsh?
I just placed a block and made it look. What? That was.
Oh, my mouse. Yeah, after this game I'm probably gonna go buy a new one.
You're gonna go buy a new mouse, like...
No, it's having this weird thing where it's like fine for 2 minutes and then it will have 30 seconds of it just like not more
I just
like
placed
not
one
moving.
wood block, like on
I still haven't found an
a
oak
rail,
forest.
so I could see through everything.
No, stop it. I'm on the surface. Ah,
Found some cows now. I've actually
Nice.
got a good situation.
I have one piece of leather because there's one cow.
I have sugarcane and I have a...
I
I have a Jordan as well. Hello, Jordan.
So I'm just gonna go down in cave and I'm gonna search for this shit later.
Yeah, on my level, I found mine shaft.
Oh, more piggies. You did find a mine shaft.
A little late.
A bit late, yeah.
Tuesday given. I'm not complaining.
Did you not have any food?
Not a lot.
But you're not complaining.
I'm not complaining.
I'm probably not doing that.
I have one. I'm gonna really did cave.
God.
That looks good.
Yeah. No. Stop it.
This is
I don't even know what Justin meant.
Oh.
Cows with you, and now he's
More cows.
Ooh, chicken.
I can't move my...
User in your channel timed out.
nice.
Oh, shit. I feel like I should take the cooldown if I did here.
User entered your channel.
Welcome
That
back
looked
to
really
hell.
weird. Oh, now I have a good amount of food.
I don't know how much I can.
Come on, let me...
Depends how low it is. Friendly
I am
fire.
not white 30. Oh, there we go again.
Oh, the classic option Stalker timing out episode. Totally didn't happen before. I want to find something in this goddamn desert biome. Odds of it happening. Very high.
User entered your channel.
God damn.
Oh, I found a village.
You found a village?
Yeah, it's like a Y200 though.
Oh. What are your chords?
Very far out from where we
Very far out.
User in your channel timed out. User
There
entered
we
your
go.
channel.
Again.
Oh shit, I need to get, wood.
I somehow have to make my way over. Oh, there's part of the village for like normal Y level. There's a floating well with a library. Honestly,
Do apples spawn from any trees?
Oh,
I don't think so. Oh well. With slightly increased rates.
on to the episodes.
Waste of a build up right now. There's gonna be nothing up here and I should have just got the library down the bottom. I want to check if there's anything up. Because like, part of the village is at like Y60, the other part is like at Y200.
That's horrible.
I'm climbing up to the Y200 part.
Good
Oh my
mining.
god,
I
there's
have,
nothing
like-
up here.
I have 5.
Well,
User in your channel timed out.
Oh,
Alright, I
alright.
have
User
enough.
entered your channel.
woohoo!
So, we're basically a team of 3. 2.5 since...
I'm gonna head off into this plane and cut down trees in a bit.
I have 13.
Honestly, it's
Semi-decent start.
User in your channel timed out.
what does this librarian trade? Got this one book for 19 emeralds. Damn. Sounds like a deal to me.
Y44 and I've been digging down for probably 100 blocks.
User entered your channel.
I get flint. make 2 bows. I have to go back to the mine shaft.
Surprised I haven't taken damage yet. With that being full land PvE. I've literally just been exploring this entire episode. Next episode I'll probably be capable.
Remember at the end of each episode, Maximus likes men.
Chat?
Yes.
That should be fun.
No, 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 no. Oh, I'm an X-rayer, dug to a vein of iron.
God. Okay, there's a forest at the very top of this hill. And I...
User in your channel timed out.
Oh my god.
You have bad paint or something?
User entered
He
your
just has
channel.
bad internet.
Woo! Same.
Let's just have that. Lush did this. Lush's internet did this in attempt 1 of Ambience.
God, Ambience Season 1 was horrible for me.
Right.
Number 1, I couldn't upload all my videos because I got grounded for 4.5 months.
You could have.
Yeah. I got, like, everything taken away, the computer, my Xbox.
Okay, let's ask this question. Why were you grounded?
I got a C.
You don't remember?
No, I got a C.
Oh,
You gotta sit on.
really?
Yeah,
Grade?
4.5
months
months.
of grounding? You
Yeah.
understand a week, if anything. 4 months!
No, it was
You were
4
grounded
months.
basically the entire when was that you
Like, right, like, the day after I played Ambience. So, I was like, what the fuck? So, I just, like, I didn't do anything. I got my phone, my school iPad, my computer, the TV, the Xbox.
Well, it's turning day now, so it should be.
been up for that long?
Yep.
I mean, I couldn't find a cave, and I'm not going to spend time searching, so I'm just going to staircase.
Yeah, I'm trying to find like an opening, but I'm not.
Yeah, it's amplified terrain. I'm not expecting to find anything.
Oh, I found some.
Cutting down trees at the side of a massive hill.
I found diamonds.
Nice,
Nice.
nice. Hopefully
That's
we
okay, more.
all get enough for a piece of armor each.
I don't think it's enough. Yeah, it's only 3.
My first sample.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait. XX Maximus MC likes men.
Okay.
Okay, once
See
my
you guys next time.
frickin' mouse starts working, I'll end the episode.
Welcome back to episode 2.
My mouse isn't working. Okay,
My episode 2, I don't know about you.
see you guys.